In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the fiscal year in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing personal finances or overseeing the financial aspects of a business, keeping everything aligned with your fiscal objectives is crucial. This all starts with setting the correct fiscal year in QuickBooks. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through each step of the process. To begin, you'll need to sign in to QuickBooks Online. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard, acting as your gateway to everything you need to know about your finances. This hub provides a broad view of your financial situation and ensures you're always up to date. Now, to adjust your settings, direct your eyes to the gear icon, located in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon serves as the main control center for your account settings, and that's where we need to go next. Click on the gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. Once you click, you'll open a new window where you can adjust many details that dictate how QuickBooks operates for you specifically. Within the Account and Settings menu, you're going to want to navigate to the Advanced tab. You'll locate this tab along the left-hand column. Clicking on Advanced will introduce you to several more options relevant to your account's core settings. Once you're inside the advanced settings, look for the section labeled Accounting. Clicking on Accounting is key because this is where you'll find the setting to change your fiscal year. You'll see an option labeled Close the Books. By turning this feature on, you essentially set a lock on your financial data up to a specific point in time. This step is tremendously beneficial for maintaining accurate records as you transition into a new fiscal year. At this point, you'll need to specify your closing date by selecting a date that aligns with the end of your fiscal year. Ensuring this date accurately reflects your fiscal calendar is crucial, as it aids in producing precise reports and maintaining order in your financial documentation. After you have selected your closing date, finalize the process by clicking on Save and Done. This action ensures that all the changes you've made are securely stored within QuickBooks, leaving nothing to chance. And there you have it, a seamless transition into a new fiscal year in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you're making sure your financial records are up to date and reflective of your actual fiscal year, which is invaluable for efficient business management. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on changing your fiscal year in QuickBooks.